are your favorite things about Japan? And do you have any special plans while you're in Japan? Syempre, you're part of the first leg of the Sparkle World Tour. Maybe you can dabble a little bit into that rin. So, who wants to take it away?
Sige, ako muna. It's actually our second time na ni Bianca sa Japan, but the first time was in Nagoya. So ngayon na nasa Tokyo kami, we always love to parang maghanap ng mga best coffee shops or mga brunch place. So yun yung nilook forward namin. I mean, other than dun of course sa show. At the same time, alam namin kung gaano po karami ang mga global Pinoys sa Tokyo at talagang for sure na excited po sila na mapanood ang aming inihandang show para po sa kanila. So we're really looking forward dun po sa araw po na yun.
Okay, Bianca?
Ayun. Our favorite things about Japan, siguro first is that Japan is actually the first country that Ru and I traveled to when we started being in the relationship. So, I look forward to going back there with him, of course, and maybe revisit yung ibang mga spots na napuntahan namin. And yes, he has mentioned na ang thing namin ni Ruru, every time we go to another country, is that we look for that, yung mga hidden coffee shops in the area where we are, or, you know, we love walking and just randomly going to places without really an itinerary for the whole day. So, ganun kami mag-travel. But of course, again, this is also my first time performing in Japan. So, thank you so much po Sparkle and GMA for giving us this opportunity. So, I also look forward to being able to bond and to see kung gaano kainit yung pagtanggap at kung paano yung Filipino community naman natin doon sa country na yon. We were so happy that we were able to meet the Filipino community naman in Canada in the first leg. So ngayon naman, dito naman tayo sa Japan.
Ayan. So, still may mga firsts pa din sila sa Japan. First time performing, I think, for a lot of them. Thank you, Ruru and Bianca. And this